Okay, today we're going to talk about seed germination and lifespan of seeds. So, first of all, you got to understand that only certain seeds have a certain shelf life before they're deemed not very good for germination. So here's a chart right here. There's Garden Betty seed life cheat sheet, and I'll put this in the description for where you can download this little chart. For vegetables like asparagus, 3 years, beans, 3 years, beets, 3 years, broccoli, 3 years, Brussels sprouts, 4 years, cabbage, 4, carrots, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so if you have seeds older than some of what this says in this chart, you might want to think about, if you're not going to plant them this year, buying some new ones in case they don't germinate when they've expired on shelf life. Okay, another trick too is to get really good germination. You can actually soak your seeds overnight in 24 hours in a 3% hydrogen peroxide solution with water. And so the reason why seeds, what it does with the hydrogen peroxide for seed germination, it rinses the seed several times with water before planting and plant them as usual. Doing this breaks down the hard outer covering of the seeds and kills any pathogen present on them, so you don't get root rot. This allows the seeds to absorb more oxygen, therefore helping them sprout efficiently. So how do you use hydrogen peroxide? Take a paper towel and moisten it with hydrogen peroxide solution. Make sure that you are not soaking the towel. Place your seeds in the towel and wrap them completely for 18 to 24 hours. Plant your seeds the next day in the pots. Using hydrogen peroxide will shave off germination time from the seeds like corns, pea, cucumber, melon, gourd, sunflower, squash, etc. Also, if you're growing peppers, eggplants, and annual flowers and celery, it can cut a lot of time off. So basically, you just want to soak them in a little hydrogen peroxide with a little bit of water. And then you want to make sure after you're done with the 24 hours, you can even sprout them in a thing like this, and like you see them doing here. They're just sprouting them on paper towels in a metal pan. But another trick also, if the seeds are really, really old, is you roll up a piece of sandpaper, and you can just run them through that and braise them up a little bit on the outer shell. So it helps put little porous holes into it, and then you can put them in the hydrogen peroxide solution. Now, people have their different methods, it's like, see, it says right here, soak your seeds in 3% hydrogen peroxide for 30 minutes. Rinse the seeds several times with water before planting them. Okay? But you can also just, take your hydrogen peroxide solution, put it in the paper towels, the seeds, wrap them in that, and wait 18 to 24 hours. And then plant your seeds next day. Thanks for watching.